Welcome teacher.
Walaikum salam everyone.
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam all. Okay, Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. Abhiya Imran beta do recitation. All the girls kindly cover the hat.
Can I start?
Yes.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنا آتيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانهر. إنا شانئك هو الأبتر. صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahu Azim. Subhanallah beta. Okay, all of you open your book 6, workbook 6. The literature work we already have done. It's completed. So kindly make a title page. Syllabus has been completed. Spring term syllabus has been completed in your literature copy. Are you getting it, all of you? Thumbs up, please. We have done summary writing, character writing, vocabulary, question answer, everything of Macbeth. You all have done. I hope you all have done it. Okay. So you can make a title page. Syllabus has been completed of English literature. If anyone did not complete the previous work, kindly complete the previous work. Open workbook 6. Page number 68, 69. We will be doing today. Let me also open my workbook. Did you all open workbook 6, page number 68? This is home, sweet home. Workbook work. Okay, let me open it. Home, sweet home. Are you all preparing the presentation of the best memory? Are you all completing, making your presentation? Okay, that's really great, Vitim. Only one memory you all have to share in the paragraph, one paragraph, and only one best memory, which you enjoyed a lot. Okay, everyone kindly open the camera. Take out the language copy as well. Quickly take out the language copy. Yes, Sinan.
Teacher, I have sent you video last night.
Okay, wait, I'll be checking it. Thank you for sending, my dear. I'm waiting for other as well to send it to me. Okay. Have you opened page number 68? We have done exercise 1. Look at that. It is mentioned. Rewrite the sentence putting indirect object next to the verb without to or for. Look at that. We already have done in the class as well. Have you all done it? Have you all done this in the workbook 6? Who will let me know the answer? Ramesh, please give this book to Mr. Kamal. What will you write? Okay, this will be page 68, question number 1. This will be your assignment to do. Right now, take out English language copy quickly. Yes, Amsal, you wish to give the answer? Okay, unmute yourself. Ji, Amsal.
Miss, the answer is please give Mr. Kamal these books.
Okay. Beta, you forgot. Ramesh, please give this book. ठीक है ना? Give Mr. Kamal these books now. It's fine. But you should mention the Ramesh's name as well. Very good, Amsal. So this is your homework till F. You will be doing an assignment. Page 68 till 69 it is. F. Till F is your assignment. Right now, open the language copy. And I'm sharing the vocabulary with you all. Do in your language copy. Do this vocabulary in your language copy. Are you all able to look at this vocabulary? Yes, my dear. Who is raising the hand? Rija. Yes, Rija, bete.
Teacher, this is last work of our language.
Which question it is? Do let me know. The paragraph writing is the last work, na bete. The best memory we have done winter vacation.
Teacher, we have to paste here after.
Definitely, bete. You have to paste in the language copy. The paper you will be pasting in the language copy, na?
Okay. Then I will start from here.
Yes. Yes, Abhiya. Make 3 column. Everyone do make 3 column in your language copy. Vocabulary, parts of speech, and meaning. Ji Sinan.
Miss means I have to have 1 page for the paragraph writing, no?
Yes. Ji bete Sinan. जी सिनान बेटे पूछिए.
Teacher, we have to make 3 columns.
Yes. Words, parts of speech, and meaning, as we often do the vocabulary in the copy. You all know it now how to do out? Or shall I make it for you? Okay, let me make one for you to guide you more. Otherwise, you will be confused. Okay, wait, I'm sharing it. Look at this. Look at this now. Okay. Write date in language copy. January 7, 2021. This is classwork, vocabulary. Words, parts of speech, and then meaning. Make in this manner. Did you all understand how to make? Draw margin with pencil. Ariana, are you doing the work right now? Amna, show me your copy. जी राफे बेटे.
मिस
Yes.
आप मुझे वो बताते हैं कि आप वो पेज नंबर 68 के बारे में हमें क्या करना था?
It is your assignment. Question number 1 is your assignment homework. You have
ठीक
to
है और
write
मिस
the verb. Look at that. After verb, we have to write indirect object. ठीक है ना? For example, one example they have given for you. Buy the pencil for me. Buy me the pencil. देखिए me के बाद क्या है? Indirect object. ठीक है ना?
मिस तो हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 करना है
Yes, you have to do an assignment.
और हमेशा दोबारा स्क्रीन शेयर कर दें.
I'll be sharing with it. Right now we are doing the copy work. In the copy we are doing vocabulary.
यस मिस डेट की कैसे लिखनी है?
Okay. Everyone, Mubashir, you wish to add something? Wait, let me listen everyone first. जी Mubashir.
मिस जो ये आपने पहली वाली तस्वीर दिखवाई थी हमें
Speak in English, everyone.
मिस
Yes.
जो आपने हमें एक
Wait,
पहले
Mubashir, kindly ask the question in English, please. This is the English block now. Kindly ask me in English, please. Everyone, kindly communicate in English. I told you. This is not the Urdu block, na bete? Yes, Mubashir, पूछें.
मिस वो आपने एक हमें फर्स्ट वाली पिक्चर पहले दिखाई थी हमें.
That you will be doing in the language copy. Did you make the row and column? Yes, or
Yes,
no?
miss.
Okay, wait
Yes.
now. Then wait, bit Mubashir, wait now. Listen to me first. Listen the guideline. Please listen the guideline. As we do not have much time. Abdullah Danish, open the camera. Mohammad Usman, open the camera. Show me the language copy. Did you make the row and column? Did you all make the row and column in the copy? Mois, Bete, please don't show me the copy and start doing the work with me. Open the language copy. Ji Anaya bete. Anaya, Amna Sheikh, please open the video and show me the language copy. Bete, in this manner, how could we start the work? It's already too late. Ji Zinan.
टीचर टीचर we have to do vocabulary till drumming till pretty.
Wait, I'm sharing the screen. I hope you all have drawn the margin now. Start this vocabulary. Quickly start this vocabulary. I'll be sharing the picture in WhatsApp group as well.
Teacher, drumming till pretty.
Yes. Quickly do out. or you can take a screenshot or picture as well. जी वानिया bete.
Miss, I am asking that what is our last work of language?
Paragraph writing bete, we have done the paragraph of best memory. The presentation
Okay,
of
miss.
10 marks, I have given an assignment. 10 marks presentation, 5 marks of paragraph, 5 marks of your video presentation. I have given you an assignment which I will receive on Friday.
Okay, miss. Thank you. Miss, please show the margin in screen. Miss,
In this manner, you have to make row and column. जी अभी हाँ.
मिस अगर मैं स्क्रीनशॉट खींच रहा हूँ.
Amsal, ask the question.
Miss, I am asking that उसमें जो दो मीनिंग लिखी है उसमें एक मीनिंग लिखनी है कि मिस दोनों लिखनी है?
Yes, one you have to write one. I hope you have done, Rafi. Kindly take a screenshot or picture of this vocabulary as well, all of you. Ji Amna bete, ask the question.
Miss, before paragraph writing, the last part is verb books is question answers.
Of the poem, na? The Echoing Green.
Yeah.
We have done so many things, bete. I'll be taking. Okay.
No, miss.
Kiran,
No, miss.
you should
Verb
share
books.
all the work of language and literature I am having. Language work, share with me. All language works, Sinan and Fatma Mohsin. Is this clear, bete? Share with me all complete work. I'll be sharing today in WhatsApp group. Is this clear, everyone? Don't worry about the copy work. Today I'll be sharing the complete work. Right now, do the classwork, bete. Yes, any question, my dear? We have very short time. The block will be over very soon. Quickly do out. Who is asking the question? Let me check. Okay. Bete, Amna, you already have asked, na bete. Now please complete the work. Ji. Ji, Fatma, bete.
Miss, I want to ask that on the first word, there are two parts of speech. On the first and second one.
Yes, you can mention it, bete. In both manner, we can use it, na?
Both. Okay.
Few words are having two parts of speech. So the meanings are different now.
Yes.
You know, if
Yes.
drum is instrument as well. If we are drumming, so it become verb as well when we are playing it. In the same manner, clanging as well. Look at that.
Yes.
To mention both 2 times the vocabulary, you should write 2 times. That vocabulary which are having 2 parts of speech now, write 2 times. Because drumming, noun, drumming, verb.
Okay.
Ji Sinan, again you wish to ask?
Teacher, we have to write, for example, there is drumming.
I think something wrong with your mic, my dear. I did not understand the question.
Meanings or teacher, we have to write drumming 2 meanings as you have write noun different meaning and verb different meaning.
Yes, you have to write the meaning of noun as well. You have to write the meaning of verb as well. Ji Rafe, ask.
There's nothing.
I already took it, bete. When you joined my class, na, I got the invitation of all the students. So I'm having the attendance of all. Khalid and Zahid, you joined the class too late. I already marked absent. Is this a time to join the class? Bete, put your hand down if you already have done it. Or you already have asked the question now. Now let me share the screen. Look at that. Drumming, clanging, fresh, noise, aloft, movement, holding home, and pretty. Pretty is also having two adjective. When we praise the women, moderately, high degree, fairly. It's adverb as we can use it as verb as well. I hope it is clear to everyone. Same like that, holding. Holding is an area as well. And it is a verb as well when we grasp or hold something in hand. Noise. Noise is also having two noun, a sound or it's a random fluctuation. Noise, unpleasant sound. A loud voice. But all of you kindly take a screenshot because I have to start Air 5 class now. The class time is about to over. I'll be sharing in WhatsApp group as well the classwork and homework both. Have you taken the screenshot or picture? Thumbs up, please. Thumbs up. Okay. Again, I'm sharing it. Quickly take. Very good. Quickly take the screenshot. Today, I'll be sharing the complete language and literature work with you all. Take a screenshot now. And Fatma, Mohsin and Sinan, don't forget to share complete work with me, bete. Okay. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Have a great day ahead.